Now, in this lecture, same topic we are going to discuss about the constitution. When the constitution was being written, the makers of the constitutional had next is about the present and future of the country, यानी हम उन लोगों को इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन में रोल प्ले करना है, दोज हु नो द पास्ट, present and who can think about the future. कि if we make the such laws, तो how it will be beneficial in futures or not. And the path of constitution, our national movement was not merely struggle against the foreign rule, it was also struggle to rejuvenate our country and to transform our society and politics. There are many state, princely state, who set up their kingdoms. So we have transfer our society, our political sector. The path of constitution, the familiarity with the political institutional of colonial rule also helped develop an agreement or the institutional design. The experience gained by Indians in the working of the legislative institutions proved to be very useful for the country in setting up its own institution. So before independence, our leaders also conduct the elections in princely state, so it will beneficial. It was give the help to the Indian to make a new constitutions. And many of our leaders were inspired by the ideals of French Revolution, the practice of parliamentary democracy in Britain, and Bill Right in USA. So they incorporated, they want to merge all good policies of different nations in our constitution. Some good points of the constitution of this in the Indian constitution. तो हमने कई कंट्री ऐसे थे जिनके अच्छे अच्छे पॉइंट, जिनकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन की बहुत अच्छी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स हमने ली और हमारे इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के अंदर मर्ज किया. एंड दे आल्सो गॉट इंस्पिरेशन फ्रॉम द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल ड्राफ्टेड by Motilal Nehru and 8 other Congress leaders in 1928, and the outlines of the Indian constitutions prepared by the Indian National Congress at its Karachi session in 1931. So that session was too much important because it gave the outline for Indian constitution. The constitutional of India was framed by Constituent Assembly set up under the Cabinet Mission Plan 1946. The Assembly consists of 389 members representing provinces to 92, states 93, the Chief Commissioner provinces 3, and Baluchistan from 1 member. So these are the list of members who play the important role in Constituent Assembly. The Assembly held its first meeting on December 6, 1946. It elected Dr. Rajendra Prasad as its chairman. The Constituent Assembly was also divided into the Constituent Assembly of India or Pakistan. The Constituent Assembly that wrote that the Indian Constitution had 299 members. The Assembly adopted the Constitution on 26 November 1949, but it came into effect on 26 January 1950 as a Republic Day. So today we are celebrating the Republic Day on 26 January. And reasons for Constituent Assembly कि why we should accept the constitution made by the Constituent Assembly more than 69 years. Many countries of the world have had to rewrite their constitution. A press because the basic rules were not accepted to all major social groups or political parties. In some other countries, the constitutional exists as piece of paper. कुछ जगह कंट्री में कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कागज़ के टुकड़ों में बन के रह गया है. इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉसिबल या इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल टू इम्प्लीमेंट.